In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Apple Game Center on iPhone. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to log out from the Apple Game Center, if I open up the Games application and if I go to this profile icon at the top right, you'll get to see there is no logout option from where you can actually log out your current Game Center account. So now to log out this one, you just need to get back from here and then open up the settings app from your iPhone or iPad and then scroll down to the very bottom and here you get the option Game Center. You just need to tap on this and you'll get to see your Game Center profile, another option. You just need to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll get to see the sign out. You just need to tap on this and tap on sign out. Any current Game Center account will be signed out. Now you can easily turn on this option and you can log into your account again. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around and thank you very much for watching.